Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Right now, my viewers and subscribers, all me can say is R.I.P. Rest in peace, baby girl. R.I.P. So my viewers and my subscribers, you know what I say? Some photos sent to my people, and when me see the picture them, me have to say, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. And them say behind the photo, NEWLINK, you don't hear about the incident that occurred down at Trelawney on Saturday, December the 21st, 2024. And them say NEWLINK is a construction worker, female, you know, across the road, you know, and a police officer come with a motorcycle, you know, my people. And boy, it seemed like the girl just step out in the road when the officer come on the motorcycle and it just comes so boom and knock on my people. My viewers and my subscribers, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. When me look on the picture, my people, my blood run cool. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. People, me never know say bike could have licked somebody, some viewers and subscribers, or knock somebody, say, because some people that say wife in the lick, you understand, or knock someone, some people, and do them. So people, the bike knock her and turn her into S. When me say my viewers and subscribers, she turn in a S. And when me look my people, oh my world, it wall her tun tear out. Real thing me I tell my people, it tear out her tun tear it out. Man, me say when me see the picture, me have to say, no, sir. Motorcycle can be so. But people, remember, you know, the motorcycle cannot go with speed. You understand? And see him so come down, she boom, cause them set up around after 7 p.m. in the night, my viewers and subscribers. You see it? And this officer, them say him work in the traffic department. My viewers and my subscribers, all I can say, boy, life is a thing. You just don't know, because she never know, say, no, this is going to be the last time. She just come so boom, she does not pay the right attention. And at the time when she just step out some people, that at the time, you see me, when me I tell my people. So them say, when she get at my people, you know what I mean, pass by a sea and them rush her to the Falmouth Hospital, and from there she was pronounced to people, because she gone already, you know. Because when you see the picture, I know a lot of people are going to say NEWLINK more to the photo and thing. And you know NEWLINK go, you see me, follow the Instagram, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss, DM. Because if you don't DM, you can't see it, my people, you just DM. But all me can say, my viewers, it's a sad one. It's a very sad one. And them say for the officer, him admit in a hospital, my people, you understand? Not sure how his condition is, if it's too bad, if it's too serious, but they say he was admitted to the Falmouth Hospital for treatment pertaining to injuries sustained from the accident, my people. But all me can say, motorists, you see me, pass by a park foot, anybody at all, look at you have to be careful. You see me, them always tell me from here go school, you know, say look left, look right, then look this again, my people. And me always do that. You know, if you ever know me in person or watch when me across the road, my people, some people say me a coward or this, but people, me no run carry beat car across the road. Me as a youth, me rather wait. If me late, me I go later. You see it? But me now run, go try beat no car. If me see car come and try run for beat it, my people for cross the road. You see me, my life is more important. When me see the road really clear, so if it go take 10 hours for the road clear for me, then me I go stuck there for 10 hours. But me now run try beat no car or nothing, my people. And me always pay attention, because from me I grew up as a local youth. You know how much people, school, when me go to school with, me see passed away during these road thing, my people. You know how much I eat, me say, go on from here, look up, pick me, I come to big old man like me now. My, all me can say, man, wow, it's a sad one. Me say when me look on her picture, my people, nice, and the female, and like, say, slim and tiny, you know, a female with strong body, you know, my people, and the motorcycle turn her in a S, tear out the whole of her tun, my people, it tear out, you understand, rip you out. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Boy, me I tell you, I just want to send out my deepest condolences to all her family and friends and everybody. You understand? Because I know a lot of people are mourn the loss of her, and may her soul rest in peace, you know what I mean? And hope them can do some real investigation, because we can't attack the police officer, you know, my people, because we never see and we hear say across, you understand? She a crash, she step out in the road at the time when the motorcycle come and step right out into it. So, you know, there can be more to the story. So if me get no more update per thing, because you know it's a lot of time when something do happen, you hear a lot of different side to the story, my people. But this is just the first part when me get with the incident just occurred yesterday. Because today, me I do the vlog is Sunday, December the 22nd, 2024, and it happened on the Saturday the 21st. And me done tell her sometime after 7 p.m. in the night. You understand? So my people, big up on yourself, man, and do remember, please subscribe to the channel, my people. Follow me on all social media platforms, and please like the video. It is important for you like my video, my people. Support the people, support the thing, my people. Give a contribution. You see, I love the work when the attacking boss and support the thing, because when you support me, I support many others. You understand? If you want to bless me with a Christmas gift for the Christmas, I say NEWLINK, go buy a drink. Oh, you mean? Link me up.